Good evening, and welcome to MUNDO-XP. I'm Clara Bastos, a journalist specialized in science, technology, and human behavior.
And I'm Rafael Monteiro, and together we'll guide you through one of the most astonishing investigations of recent times.
Tonight, we're exploring the mystery of the Buga sphere, an enigmatic object that seems to hold technology far beyond our current understanding.
A device with sensors, optical fibers, and mysterious signals. Could it be an alien surveillance system, or perhaps a higher intelligence silently observing Earth?
This sphere appeared in the city of Buga, Colombia. At first glance, it looked like just another unusual sighting. But when analyzed by experts like Rodolfo Garrido, it revealed dozens of finely arranged optical fibers.
These fibers resemble those used in high-precision technologies. But in this case, they seem to be connected to sensors capable of measuring temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, vibration, and even biological activity.
In other words, this sphere could monitor anything from volcanoes and earthquakes to marine life patterns.
And beyond that, the data being collected appears to be transmitted through antennas built into the structure. According to the research, the sphere might be sending real-time information, as if it were part of an intelligent data collection network.
That raises an important question. Who created this? Because the level of sophistication suggests an intentional design built to operate over long periods without human maintenance.
And here's a technical detail that's truly impressive. Even with the sphere spinning at high speeds, as recorded in video, the optical fibers continue working normally. That's because the speed of light, even in fiber, is so fast that the sphere's rotation doesn't interfere with the data.
It's as if the sphere knows exactly where it is and what it needs to monitor. According to engineer Garrido, the variation in fiber thickness indicates distinct functions, some for medical use, others for geological or environmental sensing.
And perhaps the most fascinating part, this is not the only sphere ever recorded.
Exactly. Similar cases have been documented in the United States, France, England, Russia, and the UAE. In all of them, the spheres were seen moving smoothly and precisely, sometimes following aircraft or hovering over strategic locations.
And then they disappeared, leaving no trace. Coincidence?
Journalist Jaime Maussan takes the theory further. To him, these spheres aren't just machines, they're autonomous surveillance systems, capable of monitoring not just the physical environment, but human behavior on a global scale.
And he goes even further, suggesting that even human emotions and intentions might be under observation. Of course, that's still speculation, but the technology we've seen so far is already extraordinary.
So the big question now is, are we being watched, or are we being studied for a greater purpose?
Maybe it's neither surveillance nor threat. Maybe we're facing a technology sent to teach us, observe us, and who knows, prepare us for something we're not yet ready to understand.
Whatever the origin of the Buga sphere may be, one thing is clear. It forces us to rethink what we know about technology, science, and even non-human intelligence.
If you want to keep following serious investigations like this one, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with those who love exploring the unknown.
This is MUNDO-XP, where mystery transforms into knowledge. See you next time.